A renewed space race is on, and just like in the 60s, many world powers are hustling to get back to the moon. But we're not just headed to Earth's natural satellite to gather rocks this time. Most are looking to set up a base, and that means those astronauts are going to need someplace to live. And this could be what Chinese astronauts eventually call home on the lunar surface. These are the 3D printed egg-shaped lunar domiciles Chang'e 8's astronauts might build and live in. They're calling them what in Chinese translates to moonpot vessel, and there's a good reason for that. The design doesn't require any load-bearing vertical structure like columns or beams, but rather relies on the egg shape and divided internal and external sections for support, all to enhance the moonpot's stability, even in the face of possible moonquakes. The structure also includes an airbag in between the inner and outer shell, creating a thermal layer to protect against the more than 500-degree temperature swings between day and night on the moon. And the best part is the whole thing will be built from 3D printed bricks produced on the moon from materials already found there. Chang'e 8 is set to launch sometime in 2028, with the first round of building expected to be completed by 2030.